How to log into your account in GhibliArt.ai. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for GhibliArt.ai. In the search results, you'll find the official website of GhibliArt.ai. So navigate to this website. Once you are in its website, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to log into your account, here in this top right corner, you can see the sign in option. Tap on it. From here, you can log into your accounts. In order to log in, you must have already created your account before. If you haven't, you can easily create a new account using the sign up option. Provide the same login credentials which you used to create your account before. Enter your email address and your password over here. After you enter your details precisely, you can tap on the sign in button. And there you go. That's how you can easily log into your account in GhibliArt.ai website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.